Welcome back. We now move on to the second section of the code, and that deals with the issue of how we treat one another, how we treat other people's property, and just the general environment of the school. Now, as I look over this section, I find 6 times it uses the word respect. I mean, that's a lot. Aiden, what does it mean to you to respect other people?
So for me personally, it just means like being aware of them and being aware of their intentions and such. So, for example, if you're respecting a teacher, you're listening to what they say, you're understanding what they're trying to accomplish and such. Respecting yourself, so just, not cheating, as Noah said, like that, and having some honor and integrity. And then respecting others, as this is a learning institution, so other people are here to learn. And so by respecting those other people, you're basically improving everyone else's enjoyment of the learning environment.
And what kind of community do you think it would be if we all truly respected one another?
It'd be a pretty solid one. Just this year, past year alone, our grade 12 years grown a bit closer together, and there's been a lot more formal respect. And I think it's safe to say that everyone has enjoyed their year a lot more than they have in past years, and so I've seen firsthand how respect can actually enhance someone's learning year.
Great, thanks. I see here that it makes reference to taking directions and guidance from people in authority. Hunter, I wonder, why do you think it is that schools put such an emphasis on respect of authority?
Well, I think that it would get pretty chaotic if no one really respected anyone who had a position of authority, such as teachers and even you. And teachers and people who are in positions of authority are really looking out for our best interests. And if we didn't listen to that, it just makes life so much harder because we maybe might make the wrong decision, or we may not do our homework, which could lead to us failing as worst case scenario, but that could happen. And so it just makes everything so much easier.
Now, when we talk about people in authority, who all might that include in our school?
Teachers, you, administrative assistants, basically anyone who really works for the school, because they all come together to help to work for our best interests. And to me, someone who's in authority has our best interests at heart and knows what's the best for the students of the school.
Great. Now you have an opportunity to look at this section and talk about what it means to respect. Questions you might consider would be, why is it important to accept people who have different beliefs? Why should we not judge people by their appearance? And what are the implications of having a responsibility to respect the property of the school and of others? We'll give you time to talk about those things.